Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. I invite you to share this recipe with me. This one is carrot and pumpkin rice. In the pot I got 2 tablespoons oil, vegetable oil, and in this bowl I got 1 tomato, I got a piece of a small green bell pepper, 3 onions crushed, and 3 garlics crushed, and a small onion chopped. I'm going to put this in the oil now and saute it. After sauteing, I'll add the carrots and the pumpkin. Oh, wonderful aroma. Beautiful. Oh. This is lovely. Adding the carrot and onions now. The carrot and the pumpkins. After finish sauteing this, I'll add some dry seasoning, then I'll add the rice. Okay, I'm adding the dry seasoning now. One teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon thyme leaves, and a teaspoon allspice or pimento. I'm going to stir this in now. How lovely it looks. Wonderful, isn't it? Oh. Okay. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons water. Then I leave this to simmer. When the vegetables are half cooked, then I'll add the rice. Okay, the vegetables are now tender. I'm going to add the rice. I'm adding 4 cups of rice to 2 cups of water. Gonna incorporate the vegetables in the rice. How lovely it looks. Okay, the water in the rice is evaporating now, and it's looking very lovely. I'm gonna cover the pot and then reduce the heat. Pot is covered and the heat is reduced. In another 20 minutes, this rice will be ready. Hey people, the carrot pumpkin rice is finally finished. How lovely it looks. How tender the vegetables are. I'll pick up one. Oh! The carrot. And this is a pumpkin. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.